Will the Doge 1 rocket finally take off next month? Delays. I've done a reading on this a while back. And I think I said it'll go off, but nobody will care because it took so freaking long. I think they're going to be having some more difficulties on that front, and I'm thinking they may even scrap it, or it will go off and nobody will care, unfortunately. If you leave things too long, cryptocurrency enthusiasts kind of wander off into other spaces. And I'm thinking he's just going to have some big troubles along the way for that rocket. So I wouldn't hold our breath. Okay?